Hi, and welcome to Baking with the Bakers. Today we're crafting, so we are continuing the Unicorn Punch embroidery kit. It's a beginner's kit, and so far we've done a few color blocks, and now we're about to get started on part 2. Next, let's use our black yarn. It'll be for the eye and for the arms. And now we'll repeat the process of threading your needle. Alright, and now remember to keep the opening of the needle facing away from you, not toward you. And now let's start on the eye. So now we are getting toward the end of our eye, and we're going to finish off the way we did with the blush mark. Push your needle all the way through, turn your work over, grab the tail end, and snip it off. Alright, now let's start on the arms of the unicorn. You're just going to do like an outline with them. There's no filling in on this part. Alright, and we're doing that last arm. Again, just an outline, nothing to fill in here. Alright, and now we're going to do the pink. It's just going on the end of the tail and inside the ears. So we're going to do the ear first. Once again, just make sure that you are keeping the open end of the needle pointed away from you, facing the direction that you want to go. All right, and now it's time to do the bottom part of the tail. So we are going to punch, pull the tail through, and start punching for the unicorn tail. In our next section of the tail, we will be using the bright turquoise sort of blue. Okay, everybody, I look forward to seeing you on part 3, where we go on to our next few colors and also the body of the unicorn.